How to reopen snaps already viewed. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can reopen a snap that you've already viewed, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you want to reopen a certain snap that you've already viewed, right, so maybe someone sent you a snap, you viewed them. The way that you can reopen is if it is instantly, then right after you come back you can long press on that snap and then choose to replay it. So this only works for a while after you've already viewed it. If it's already been like over 10 to 15 minutes, then you won't be able to do that. But if it's been a couple of seconds and minutes, when you're still on this page, you can just choose to replay that particular snap when you long press on it. So it's not available for other snap, but once it has gone completely. That's why Snapchat is called Snapchat. It was built for privacy reasons. So I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.